Hey everyone, welcome back to Tuto Learn Pro HQ. Today, we're diving into a super useful tip: how to add a YouTube video directly into your Google Slides presentation. Let's get started. First, go to YouTube and open the desired video. After that, go to the address bar and copy the link to this video. The next step is to open your Google Slides presentation. Head to the slide where you want to insert your YouTube video. Click on Insert in the top menu, then select Video. Easy, right? Now, you'll see a search bar where you can type in your YouTube video's title or paste the link directly. Host pastes the link into the search bar and a preview of the video pops up. After pasting the link, your video will show up. Simply click Select to add it to your slide.